Can you believe it? ChatGPT is no longer the leader of AI. Yep, it's been dethroned. But what's next? Let me introduce you to 3 groundbreaking AIs that are shaping 2025 and completely redefining our future. You don't want to miss this. First on our list is the incredible Atlas Mind. Think of it as a genius that never sleeps. This AI has been revolutionizing scientific research by not only analyzing massive amounts of data, but actually predicting future outcomes. In 2025, Atlas Mind has already discovered groundbreaking treatments for diseases once thought untreatable. But it doesn't stop there. It's also tackling challenges like global warming and renewable energy solutions. Atlas Mind isn't just advancing technology, it's helping humanity leap forward. Are you as amazed by this AI as I am? If you're loving this content, give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more incredible insights into the future of tech. Now let's talk about Creativerse, the AI that's turning ordinary people into creative geniuses. Whether you've dreamed of writing a novel, designing stunning artwork, or even producing your own music, Creativerse is here to make it happen. What sets it apart is its ability to work with you. It doesn't just follow instructions, it suggests ideas, tweaks, and enhancements that elevate your work to levels you never imagined. In 2025, Creativerse isn't just a tool. It's your creative partner in crime. Finally, let's talk about the futuristic Neuralink AI. This isn't just any AI, it's a bridge between the human brain and machines. It's already transforming lives by helping paralyzed individuals control devices with their thoughts. But the potential doesn't stop there. Neuralink is opening doors to a world where learning is instant, communication is seamless, and humans and technology truly become one. 2025 is just the beginning of its story, and trust me, it's a wild one. Those are the top 3 AIs of 2025, each of them pushing the limits of what we thought was possible. From solving global challenges to unlocking human creativity and connecting minds to machines, these AIs are reshaping our reality. But now I want to hear from you. Which one of these AIs do you think is the most exciting? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed exploring this amazing future with me, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more incredible tech stories. Thanks for watching, and remember, our future is only just beginning. See you in the next one.